Whether you prefer an intimate gathering with a friend or two, or like to have a group of friends over and entertain while enjoying the outdoors, Hanover's Fontana collection gives you a classic look and outdoor dining that's sure to please. The Fontana collection features sling seating options that include 360-degree swivel seating, along with traditional dining chairs, each with cast aluminum accents and scrolled detailing for a rich, elegant look. Your guests will love the comfort and gentle rocking motion of the swivel rockers as you gather around for entertaining guests and great conversation. The sling fabric, designed specifically for outdoor use, is easy care, relatively no maintenance, and its neutral tone fits in any outdoor setting. Featuring the ultimate in flexibility, Fontana features a variety of table and seating options, so you can create a truly custom look that is perfect for your outdoor space. The rust-free cast aluminum top table option with an ornate lattice top has a deep, rich espresso finish. The collection also has a more traditional tempered smoked glass top table look with an aluminum rim to help protect the edges of the table. Finally, the Fontana collection also has a durable porcelain top that is beautifully elegant. The porcelain tile top has an intricate tile inlay border and a cast centerpiece that adds a touch of design flair. The dining tables include a decorative yet durable base for your outdoor umbrella and includes inserts to cover the hole when the umbrella is not in use. Put a group together today and watch your entertaining savvy elevate to new levels. Have a larger area? Include several of Fontana's versatile looks together for a truly coordinated outdoor living space. Small spaces or large, the Fontana collection has the classically styled pieces that will shine for years to come.
To speak with an outdoor furniture specialist about your outdoor space, give us a call or chat with us online at recreationoutfitters.com.